Buying index funds on Etrade is a straightforward process. Index funds are typically available as mutual funds or exchange-traded funds, which track market indices like the S&P 500. Here's how to buy them. Log into your Etrade account. Go to the Etrade website or use the mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Search for index funds. In the search bar, type the name or ticker symbol of the index fund you're interested in. You can also use Etrade screeners to find index funds by filtering for funds that track specific indices. Choose between mutual fund or ETF. If buying a mutual fund, navigate to the mutual fund section. If buying an ETF, go to the stocks or ETF section. Place a buy order. For ETFs, click buy, enter the number of shares, and select your order type. For mutual funds, choose buy and specify the dollar amount you want to invest. Review and submit. Review your order details and submit your purchase. Monitor your investment. Check your index fund in the portfolio section.